woke up, I think it was a Sunday morning, and it hit me that the first thought I had was not to go get my medicine. I have been in chronic pain for 9 to 10 years. My pain, I've learned over the years, originates in my neck, but mostly I feel it under my right shoulder blade. Nerve pain that actually radiates down my arm has caused a lot of issues with numbness and tingling. The orthopedist I'm currently seeing back home told me that I've actually tried everything he has to offer. So I've been to physical therapy, chiropractic. I've actually had a spine surgery. I've seen multiple orthopedists, multiple chiropractors. I had a discectomy, C5-6, which did actually provide relief for a good portion of my pain at that time. They went through my neck with a fairly large incision, which is very scary to me. Went in and removed the disc, replaced it with cadaver bone. The recovery was rough, but within 6 months, there was recurrent pain at a different disc level, but it progressed and got to the point that it was just as bad as before surgery. I don't ever want to go through that again. Well, and I'll just say I'm a health coach, and I feel like my job and my mission is to help other people find solutions. It's been a pretty emotional thing for me, the way it's affected my sleep, the way I haven't been able to find an answer for myself. But once I started getting relief, it made me realize how much I was really struggling. Whenever Caleb, my son, shared the podcast with me and said, "Mom, this sounds like what you deal with. I think you have adhesions," I literally had this spark of hope because I was just so desperate to find something that would help me. And I was also super frustrated because I felt like I had done everything right. I feel like that I had tried everything. It's not like I, wasn't willing to try anything. I've done the physical therapy, I've done the appointments, and whenever they just don't help, it gets really old. And so I had this spark of hope, and I was like, I hope they can get me in tomorrow. I was terrified that it wasn't gonna help. I was trying to prepare myself. Like, I've tried so many other things, and I don't know why I just immediately was so hopeful. I think I was just in a lot of pain. Feeling like I had almost tried everything, and it's like, oh my goodness, is there actually one more thing I can try? And then it's like, don't get too excited, Cheri, this probably isn't gonna work. Nothing works. First day coming in, my pain was an 8 to a 9. And it had been that way for a long time. I would say I am between a 2 and a 3 today. This has changed my life. I can honestly say that I was struggling. I wasn't willing to admit that most days, but I was really struggling. It definitely affected my mood. I feel lighter. I feel like I've had more energy. I'm sleeping better. I mean, a lot of that is not taking as much medication. I didn't realize how, it was kind of just making me a little more sleepy, probably affecting my clarity just a little bit. It was all pretty low dosages of everything, but when you have to take it every single day, your body keeps score of that. I definitely had a dependence on it. That's always been a concern of mine. I'm very aware of the dangers of that. But I had to make the decision, am I going to allow myself to be dependent on this and keep moving and keep going and keep doing, or just literally lay on the couch? The treatments are painful. 8 to 12 seconds of searing pain. I would call it searing nerve pain, and it almost literally feels like you can actually feel the adhesions breaking up. The searing pain is followed by, it just feels like the nerves throughout your entire body just kind of like release. It's amazing.
This doesn't feel good. Good. She's a champ.
It's the only way to survive it.
It is the only way to survive.
I'm very grateful to all of you. I'm very grateful to Dr. Chris. Forever grateful that he was willing to do the podcast and be vulnerable and share his story, because in doing that, and I tell people this all the time, you can help other people, and he's helped me. It's changed my life. I don't throw this around much, but he's a difference maker.